Hey guys, Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. I'm here at a property we're looking to purchase. We're doing an inspection now and analysing it. It's in Orleans Parish, in Venetian Isles actually. So the seller had reached out to us because they were looking to sell. They wanted to get out of the city, and problem was they're halfway through a renovation. They had some damage from Ida, so it wasn't really complete, and they owed a fair amount on their mortgage. And unfortunately, what they owed was really worth more than it could sell in its current condition. So we couldn't make a cash offer work. I mean, we're cash investors, we buy houses for cash, and we just couldn't make the number work. But we do know people. You know, we have a really big network of people we work with, title attorneys, other investors, etc. So, we knew that a creative real estate investor could probably be able to help her. So that's why we referred her to one of our partners and someone we work with, Courtney Fricke, who's actually holding the camera. So I might turn around on her and get her to talk about it.
Hey you guys. Yeah, so this one, it was unique. The owner wanted to get out of the city. Specifically, they wanted to get out. They were afraid of the crime. And so they're thinking, okay, they got hit pretty hard with Ida. They went through the insurance claims. And even then, it still wasn't enough. They still had to put some of their own money. And it was just really hard for them to sink their good hard-earned money into a house they didn't want. But then when they looked at trying to sell it, they were going to have to come out of pocket even more. And so a lot of times when people get to that position, they are like, hey, do I just, give it back to the bank, do bankruptcy? And I've worked with a ton of families in that similar position. And actually, this was a unique situation where if the seller would go into bankruptcy or foreclosure, it would also put their job in jeopardy. It's not everyone, but there are a few people, a few jobs in the industry, in various sectors, that if you go through a bankruptcy or foreclosure, your job can be in jeopardy too. So obviously they're saying, hey, we need to find a solution here. And that's what we're known for. We're known for providing solutions. And so we're able to work with the mortgage that they still have in place and be able to do some creative options to get them a solution where we are reputable buyers who can bring solutions that can help people to find a win-win solution so they can move forward and get out from what they want to get out from underneath of.